Alright, so we've been given K, the carrying capacity, which is 250. So then we know that we'll need to use the logistic growth equation to figure out our population size. So that equation is dN over dt is equal to R times N times by the quantity 1 minus N over K. So I'm going to set up a table to work through that math. I'm going to start at each row, my initial population, my second population, and my third population, and then NT for each of those. The first, we're going to start with my original population size of 221, and then I'll solve for N divided by K, and so in this case that'll be 221 divided by K, which is 250, and that's equal to 0.884. Then the next thing I'm going to figure out is 1 minus N over K. So in that case, it's 1 minus 0.884, which is equal to 0.116. Then I will do R times N. So I'll have the original R up here. So 0.276 times our population, which is 221. And that will give us 61. And then finally, we put it all together. So R times N times the quantity 1 minus N over K will give us our dN over dt. So that's going to be equal to our 61 times by our 0.116, which is equal to 7.076. So to get N1, I will add that value. So 221 plus 7.076 will get us our next population size, which is 228.1 if we round. So if I do the math for the rest of the area, for the rest of the table, we're going to end up with 241 for the third generation.